Welcome. Here is Professor Rameshwar Gagrani from Gagrani IIT JEE NEET, CET and Foundation. This is our online portal. We have started for our students. This is live streaming where we are interacting. We are solving the queries of our students, their doubts, and simultaneously in this lockdown period, we are teaching them, the team Gagrani teaching them to prepare for the national entrance exams like IIT JEE NEET, CET, that is for medical as well as engineering. So, dear friends, you all are welcome. This is your second year IIT JEE NEET. So, it is necessary to prepare from grassroots level. As we are learning chemistry, let us continue to our topic. Yesterday we have seen about buffer solutions. कल हमने buffer solution के बारे में समझ लिया. Yesterday we have seen about buffer solutions. And what is the importance of buffer solutions in biochemical reactions, in cosmetic preparations, formulations, as well as medical formulations. So buffer solution is very important because it maintains the pH of a solution so that the solution, it will not become too acidic, not too basic. So I meant to say buffer solution has an immense importance in biological systems, cosmetic formulations, medical formulations, medicines, and many more at many more places. Particularly if we deal with our urine as well as blood, they have the fixed pH values, and therefore it is always necessary to maintain their pH. Any slight deviation in the pH of a blood, urine, or any medical formulations, that is medicinal formulations as well as cosmetic formulations, results into the malfunctioning of the system. For example, if the pH of a blood alters from its 7.4, that is slightly alkaline, I mean to say basic. So any alter in the pH of a blood, malfunctioning the system, that is physiological process as well as our health. And that's why it is necessary to maintain the pH of a solution. So what is buffer solution? Buffer solution, they resist the change in pH. Buffer solutions, they resist the change in pH. They oppose the change in pH. What are buffer solutions? They resist in change in pH on dilution or on addition of a small amount of acid or alkali. Buffer solutions which resist change in pH on dilution or with the addition of a small amount of acid or alkali. Is it? What are buffer solutions? The role of a buffer solution is what? To maintain the pH of a system. For example, to maintain the pH of a blood is extremely essential, as well as urine and many more, like biological processes, biochemical processes, medicinal formulations means medicines. Formulations means what? Medicines. Various types of medicines are there. Some medicines are in tablet form, some medicines are in ointment form, some medicines are in what you can say that cream form, some medicines are in expectorant forms, some medicines are in liquid form. So there are various forms of the medicines. These are called as medicinal formulations, and to maintain the pH of these formulations, it is essential that it should not alter its pH. If any change in the pH of these medicinal formulations or cosmetic formulations as well as biochemical formulations or biochemical reactions will change in the malfunctioning of the system, and that results into the severe adverse effects. and therefore it is necessary to maintain the pH. What is a buffer solution? Buffer solutions which resist change in pH on dilution or with the addition of small amount of acid or alkali are called as buffer solutions. This is exact definition of your NCERT book, and I have repeated it thrice a day. There are acidic buffers as well as basic buffers. There are two types of buffers which maintains the pH of a solution. Buffer solutions of a known pH can be prepared. Buffer solutions of a known pH can be prepared by knowing its pK value. As we know the pK value of acids as well as pKb value of bases, we can prepare the buffer solutions of known pH. For example, the sodium acetate, not ammonium, sodium acetate is sodium acetate and acetic acid acts as a buffer solution, as an acidic buffer. Sodium acetate and acetic acid acts as a buffer solution. Similarly, ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide acts as a buffer solution. Remember yourself. The mixture of acetic acid and sodium acetate, a mixture of acetic acid and sodium acetate acts as a buffer solution around the pH 4.75. When we take acetic acid and when we take sodium hydroxide, this is a weak acid strong base combination. Being a strong base, the sodium ions, being a strong base, the sodium ions, it will hydrolyze. Sorry, it will remain hydrated in a solution, aqueous solution. But the acetate ion from acetic acid will not remain as a hydrated ion in aqueous solution because it will not completely dissociate. Sodium hydroxide will completely dissociate, but acetic acid will not completely dissociate, and therefore their salt, sodium acetate, it will hydrolyze, where the acetate ion will react with water to reform the acetic acid. Is it? Here the anion is reacting with water. आप समझ रहे हैं, यहाँ पर एनायन वाटर के साथ रिएक्ट होगा. अगर मैं हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ सॉल्ट की बात करूं तो, अगर आपको बिल्कुल याद होगा, सिंपल लॉजिक है. Acetic acid will not completely dissociate, therefore its acetate ion will react with water to reform the corresponding acid, that is acetic acid, with the formation of hydroxyl ion. And the sodium hydroxide, it will dissociate completely. That's why the cation will not react with water, that is sodium ion. Cation will not react with water, that is sodium ion. So this is an example of hydrolysis of salt. This is an example of hydrolysis of salt where यह हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ सॉल्ट का ऐसा एग्जांपल है कि जहां पर वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिएक्ट हो रहा है एनायन के साथ, दैट इज एसिटेट आयन, एंड इट स्टार्ट्स टू रिफॉर्म द करस्पॉन्डिंग एसिटिक एसिड एज वेल एज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ hydroxyl ion, hydroxide ion. And this type of hydrolysis is there. It is what we call it as a hydrolysis of salt in case of sodium acetate. It acts as a acidic buffer. It acts as an acidic buffer. Its known value is to be 4.75, and a mixture of ammonium chloride and hydrochloric acid, sorry, ammonium chloride, a mixture of ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide, not hydrochloric acid. Now, in case of weak base and a strong acid, let us consider strong acid HCl, hydrochloric acid, and a weak base ammonium hydroxide. What we get? We get ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is a salt of strong acid weak base. अमोनियम क्लोराइड यह सॉल्ट है स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड वीक बेस का. तो यहां पर कैटायन विल रिएक्ट विथ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. डू यू नो हियर You must notice cation will react with water molecule to reform the corresponding ammonium hydroxide. That is, hydrolysis of cation will take place. That means hydrolysis of this salt will take place. But here the water reacts with ammonium ion, that is cation, because HCl will completely dissociate. So the ions of the anion will remains or exist as a hydrated ion in aqueous solution. Chloride ion will, that is anion, will not react with water here because they are completely dissociated. Whereas ammonium chloride is formed, this salt will on hydrolysis, where the ammonium ion will react with water to reform the ammonium hydroxide. Now this combination is a basic buffer. What we call it is its pH is said to be 9.25 as mentioned there. इसका pH जो है 9.25 है, अगर आप मेरी बात ठीक से समझ रहे थे. बफर सॉल्यूशन यह मैंने आप सभी को ठीक तरह से एक्सप्लेन किया और आपने भी ठीक तरह से समझ लिए. इसमें अगर आपको किसी को भी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो या आपको कोई क्वेरीज हो तो आप मुझे निश्चित रूप से पूछ सकते हैं. दिस इज लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग इज गोइंग ऑन. दिस इज लाइव यूट्यूब channel is there. So many students are on the screen. Nyaneshwar is there, Hardeep Sonar is there, Mahek is there, Pooja Patel is there, Pranita is there, Sudarshan is there, Vivi Zawar is there, even there is Aryan Bhandarkar and Yash Rajesh Patil, and many more students are on the screen. Around 70 to 80 students are I am observing right now on the screen. So let us continue to this one. Have you any doubt in buffer solutions? आपको कोई बफर सॉल्यूशन में डाउट है, आप पूछ सकते हो मुझे. आप पूछो मुझे, बफर सॉल्यूशन में कोई डाउट हो तो आप मुझे पूछो. एसिडिक बफर मैंने समझाया, बेसिक बफर मैंने आपको समझाया, मैंने इसमें हाइड्रोलिसिस किस तरह से होता है ये भी ठीक तरह से समझाया. अब हमें सीखना है आगे सोल्यूबिलिटी इक्विलिब्रिया ऑफ स्पेरिंगली सोल्यूबल सॉल्ट्स. एक बात का सभी ने ध्यान रखना है, जो भी हम लोग सीख रहे हैं जो कुछ हम लोग यहाँ पर सीख रहे हैं, आप सभी को एक बात का नोटिस होगा कि इसके पहले के सारे कॉम्बिनेशन हमें याद चाहिए. स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड, स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस, वीक एसिड, वीक बेस, स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस, वीक एसिड, weak base, strong acid. These are various combinations. We must know what it means. When we know the few examples of strong acid as well as few examples of strong bases, weak acid, weak bases, then we can combine all these things with respect to the hydrolysis of salts, with respect to the neutralization reaction, with respect to the pK value, with respect to the Ka value, with respect to the dissociation constant of acids as well as dissociation constant of bases. So in this way, we have the various interactions. So this is what we call it as a hydrolysis of salts. इसे मैं बता रहा हूँ hydrolysis of salts. साथ में मैंने सीखा buffer solutions. What are buffer solutions? Buffer solutions are those solutions which resist change in pH of a substance. How? On dilution or on addition of a small amount of acid or alkalis. There are acidic buffers, there are basic buffers. If you take the ammonium chloride and if you take another example, that is sodium acetate, these are acts as acidic as well as basic buffers. सोडियम एसिटेट हमारे पास एक एग्जांपल है जो स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस वीक एसिड का एग्जांपल है, और अमोनियम क्लोराइड या स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड वीक बेस का एग्जांपल है. एंड वी मस्ट नो देयर पीएच. We can calculate the pH of a buffer solution. A known pH of a buffer solution can be prepared by means of their pK and pKb value of the corresponding acid and bases. अगर मुझे corresponding acid और base की values पता है तो मैं उनका known solution of, because we can calculate the pH of a solution by means of pK and pKb value. Even we have seen in hydrolysis of salt the fourth combination, weak acid, weak base. Where what we the formula we used, pH is equal to 7 plus 1 half in the bracket pK minus pKb. Is it? Smaller the pKa value, stronger will be the acid. Similarly, smaller the pKb value, stronger will be the base. And pK and pKb values are inversely proportional to the dissociation constants for acid as well as base. This dissociation constant for acid is indicated by the symbol K, whereas the dissociation constant for the base is indicated by the symbol Kb. So dear all, you understood about the buffer solutions in details. आप सभी को बफर सॉल्यूशन में बहुत अच्छी तरह से आपको डिटेल्स में समझ में आया है. साथ में हमने हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ सॉल्ट्स, हमने प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स में हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ सॉल्ट्स सिस्टमैटिकली हमने लर्न किया है. आई हैव रिपीटेड ट्वाइस थ्राइस अ टाइम and I am teaching very slowly. Team Gagrani, the professors of Gagrani, those who are coming to teach you online, they are teaching systematically, meticulously, and in details and very slowly. So you enjoy these lectures, dear all. Your presence is very important for us. Your live presence encourages us to teach better, so that we will prepare you to crack the tough nut, that is IIT, JEE, NEET, CET. So dear all, thank you once again for your presence. We will continue tomorrow.